How to use overlay feature in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily use a overlay feature in CapCut. So first thing, just head over to your CapCut application and just select any one of these random videos in which you want to add an overlay. So in this case I want to add an overlay until this dark over here, which is the dark screen. So instead of displaying dark screen, I can simply add an overlay to keep the viewers more intact, just like this, and simply select, I will just select a white image or something like that. So as you can see, I have added an image from my gallery just like this. Now I will just readjust it accordingly and also reposition it until the time I want working on the image, on the video, just like this. So as you can see, when the dark screen again once again starts, I can simply do the same process once again. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.